Hi mga ka-UVG, silipin natin kung ano ang second week of January mo. So let's see. Maraming salamat po pala sa mga new subscriber natin. Thank you so much po sa suporta at saka sa mga returning subscriber. Thank you din po sa suporta since day one. Maraming salamat po. So sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So stay connected po tayo. So let's see. Anong na energy update sa ating mga IUVG collective dyan. Maraming salamat po pala sa nagbigay ng regalo. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Laking tulong po. So, let's see. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. So, just take how it's resonate po. Either way. Okay. Call. Para ba lang. Sorry. So, meron kang call, Virgo. First card, King of Fire. Oh, dang. Ano na naman to? Unexpected Tower. Tsaka Five of Water. So, Virgo, meron gustong makapag-usap sa'yo dito. Okay. I think the Wheel. $55 may be significant. Okay. Pero, 5555. 5555 tuna? O 555 sardines? No. Anyway, merong isang person dito thinking about 10 of Cups. 10 of Cups is emotional stability. Okay. Merong gustong tumawag, okay, pero feeling left out. Hindi parang this person is naghihintay ng reply mo or ang tagal mong mag-reply or gusto niyang tumawag, gusto niyang makapag-communicate dito sa'yo pero nagbibigay ka ng cold shoulder eh. Para bagang hindi interesado kind of energy. Okay. Itong person na 'to talagang on fire, okay, when it comes to emotion niya towards you. Mga nakikita ka niya sa full package with the Ten of Water. You check this person's boxes, okay. Hindi ko alam kung sa career to, meron gustong makapag-usap sa'yo. But at the same time, para bagang nagpapakita ka ng energy ng unapproachable. Okay, or maybe kahit hindi mo naman siguro sinasadya, pero it seems like nafe-feel ng person na to energetically na ayaw mo makipag-usap ng for now, I think. Nagbibigay ka ng feeling left out tong person na to or feeling abandoned by you. Hindi ka na nakikipag-usap like before. Okay, so napapaisip na lang siya maybe you've got going on like the Star card and the Tower card, Healing card, or more focus ka on your thing dito with the Wheel of Fortune. But with the Five of Cups, I think ayaw magkaroon ng miss opportunity ng person na to sa'yo. Kung sino man tong person na to, it can go either way, okay? Pero ang maliwanag lang na masasabi ko dito sa spread na to is merong isang person dito na gustong makapag-usap sa'yo. Gusto niya makapag-usap pero at the same time nagbibigay ka ng para wagang unread online ka naman pero hindi mo sinisin. I think, tell me more. Queen of Air. Very cold. Okey, hindi ka na parehas ng dati. Yung communication niya is para bang nakahang, okey. Pero 'tong person na 'to, the more na ini-ignore mo siya, the more nati-trigger yung dopamine niya, the more na kailangan ka niya, the more na gustong-gusto ka niya, the more na gusto ka niyang kausapin, okey. Kasi 'tong person na 'to, na-visualize niya yung Ten of Cups sa'yo, emotionally satisfied kind of energy. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa mo sa person na 'to or anong sinabi mo or basta meron siyang pinanghahawakan. Iniisip na lang niya na baka meron kang unexpected, na kailangan mong i-focus career-wise. With the Wheel of Fortune, maybe you are working on your bag here, so that's why wala kang time. Sa person na 'to, yun ang naiisip niya, pero the love, let's just say this is love department. Ace of Air. Itong person na 'to merong aha moment when it comes to you. Emotionally connected sa'yo, emotionally available, okey. Nagpapakita siya ng nonchalant, para bagang magko-communicate siya sa'yo very straight. Kung ano yung gusto niyang mangyari, very straight, okey. Ikaw on the another hand, I think you're taking your time here sa first row, okey. Nagbibigay ka ng cold energy, para bang ang tagal mong mag-response, ang tagal mong sagutin, okey. Five of Cups at saka Wheel of Fortune. Five of Cups is, I think, more focus on finances here, virgo, or opportunity, okey. There is an unexpected, para bang unexpected, viral kind of energy dito. Baka 'tong person na 'to is left behind energetically, at saka nakikita ka niya as madiskarte, all about stability. The moment na nag-iisip siya sa'yo, very occupied. Inoccupy mo ang ano nito, ang emotional department. Nakikita ka niya as you've got going on, like Queen of Air. You are more focusing on your business. You are more focusing on strategy when it comes to life or long-term stability. Okay. Maybe I think this person is aware na you have big something big coming in. So that's why para bagang basta naiisip niya there's a lot on your plate. You're all about business. Okay, hindi ka nagjo-joke dito. So I think when it comes to love, yung feeling niya, feeling ignored by you. Okay, hindi ko alam kung matagal ka mag-response or nagre-response ka pero not that much. Parang kinakat mo agad yung communication. I think gusto niya pang mapag-usap ng malalim, and you are on the another hand, it's just like naglalagay ka ng period agad or something, hindi na mag-extend ng question or something in that line. Because I think you are focused on one goal here, or maybe there is an unexpected, viral na masasabi. Okay. So with the Five of Air on the bottom of the deck, this person is gonna come in causing some magi-create siya ng topic out of, para bagang senaryo ko lang, analogy ko lang, na para bagang, "Uy, ano, alam mo ba, na naginip ako sa'yo, ganito, ganito." Just to start the conversation with you, Virgo. Hindi ko naman sinabing drama, kasi just to confront you if you're still there. Kung nandun ka pa, kung nandiyan ka pa, nasa frequency ka pa niya, kung kaya ka pa niyang ma-reach, okey. Kasi parang busy ka dito yata, focusing more on your glow up, focusing more on your finances here. Very unexpected with the Tower card. Okay, so itong person na 'to with the Five of Cups, ayaw niya magkaroon ng missed opportunity. Baka the more na nagfo-focus ka on your bag or on your business dito, para bagang naisip niya baka may maalala ka on the way of your journey. Okay, so 'tong person na 'to, basta talagang kuhang-kuha mo, na-check mo lahat ng box ng person 'to. So, meron siyang epiphany dito, parang aha moment kind of energy. Nagets mo? Pero ikaw dito on the another eye, you're all about business, okey. So, hindi ko alam kung sinong kinakausap ko dito either way, baka ikaw or person na connected sa'yo as I said. But with the 5 of air, mag-start 'to ng communication like mag-start, so alam mo ba, ganito. Parang ang analogy ko kanina, just to start a conversation somewhere, in that line. Gusto niya lang malaman if you're still there, kind of energy. Clarify the star. Or baka ikaw dito ang ayaw mo magkaroon ng miss opportunity. Dito ayaw mo magpaistorbo. Ayaw mo magkaroon ng, baka nakikita mo tong person na to as a distraction sa magiging goal mo or gusto mong mangyari dito. Okay, pero I think you know it. Alam mo kung anong intention ng person na to, mafe-feel mo kung pure or running around the bush lang kind of energy. Pero I think you know better with the Queen of Air. Queen of Air is a very smart person or energy based on experience. So let's just see. Ang daming idea ng person na to when it comes to connecting with you. Okay. Tell me more about the star. I think nakikita ka ng person na to na you are on your healing pace. I mean, healing journey or yeah. Or maybe nakikita kang person na to is like you're on the spotlight. Maybe you're doing something on public. People know you kind of energy. Not that popular, pero maybe for some of you, you're doing something around maybe online business or something na people known. Maybe when it comes to Wheel of Fortune, the bag here, Virgo. So let's see. Tell me more. Nine of Air. So sleepless night, anxiety, kind of energy. Nine of Earth. Yeah. I think second week of second week of January, you're all about thinking finances, the goals, and the desire. Nakikita ko nag-compute ka dito. Nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights, overthinking things when it comes to the bag, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Nine of Pentacles. But at the same time, pay attention, nasa bottom po tayo ng Five of Cups. Five of Cups is regret, ayaw mo magkaroon ng another na pagkakamali when it comes to choosing your financial path or something in that line. Okay, so you are very focused on the things that you want when it comes to the bag or the coins here, Virgo. Not coins, like opportunity. Okay. Kasi nakikita ko yung Ace of Pentacles dito eh. Kahit hindi pa dumarating or hindi pa. Just discard. I think this is your timeline here and now. Nafe-feel mo energetically na the time is now. I think you need to move. You need to focus on things that matter, that will give you long-term long-term support or long-term finances or financial freedom. Okay, like generation to generation. 11. This is a builder energy. 11 is meron ka ring 20 dun. Meron kang 10. Ilan ang 10 mo dito? 10, 10. This is already a completion, Virgo. You are near. Para bagang abot kamay na. Okay, with the Justice card, I think this is gonna be your good karma. You will reap what you sow. Kung anong itinanim yun ang aanihin kind of energy. And you will, nafe-feel mo siya na something in the line of being popular or being in the public eye. You do the healing thing, you dark night of the soul, I think galing ka na doon, you learn your own lesson. So, that's why meron tayong Queen of Air. Queen of Air is very witty, madiskarte. Based on experience to. Tsaka kung mapapansin mo, meron siyang owl. This is a lot of wisdom and gaining a lot of wisdom and knowledge into the situation. So, I think this person is you're giving this person a benefit of a doubt when it comes to emotion. Okay. This person is emotionally stable, emotionally available. And I think nakikita ka niya as hindi ka nakikipag-cooperate or not that much. Parang binibigyan mo siya ng bare minimum dito with the Five of Pentacles. Okay. So, you on the other hand, I think meron ka mentality the second week of January na you're going to focus on something because abot kamay mo na nandun nasimulan mo na So, nagkakaroon ka ng sleepless nights dito. Okay. So, the idea is there, I think, meron ka ng dalawang hakbang, lamang ka ng dalawang hakbang or tatlo, nafe-feel mo energetically na abot kamay na. Okay. So, based on your experience then mga lesson, kaya tayo merong Five of Cups, ayaw mong magkaroon ng the same mistake again. So, kumbaga, sasamantalahin mo yung opportunity dito. Na this time around, parang sasabihin mo sa sarili mo na this time around, shot na to. Sure ball na. Target na hit ng target dito. So, yun nakikita ko with the Justice card. Okay. Or Justice card, dealing with legal matters, mga papers, something in that line, legalities, sedula. Uso pa ba yung sedula? I don't know. Pero, I think nag-aasikaso ka rin ng mga ganyan. Permit, or whatsoever. Let's see, just take how it resonates. Sa mga hindi mo makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, tell me more. Patience. Sorry. Messenger of Earth. May gusto na lang mapag-communicate sa'yo dito. Seven of Water. I think this person is thinking about you have a lot of option here. Page of Air. Spying card, studying card. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa mo sa internet pero I think you're working something in the internet. Okay, but with the patience card, this person or maybe ikaw, you are being patient when it comes to this person or when it comes to your situation. Okay, merong communication dito with the Messenger of Earth or kasi Knight of Pentacles to this person, meron siyang offer incoming. Okay, I think this is a new person. That's what I'm feeling here. Slowly pero surely. Mabagal pero makakarating. Kaya ikaw being busy here, habang busy ka, or maybe this person, pinagpapasensyahan niya lang yung busyness mo. Sino ba to, Bergings? Kasi with the Seven of Water, there's a lot of opportunity you need to explore. Or maybe this person is thinking about, hey, are you still there? Are you on? Di ka ba? Or whatsoever here. With the page of busy ka eh. Yun lang masasabi ko, busy ka on something dito. Busy ka and at the same time, busy-busy yan pag itong person na to nag-communicate. Okay, so, ang maiisip talaga nito totally is you're doing something big. Okay. When it comes to your finances and your career. But you on the other hand, bakit nandito yung patience? Four of Earth. You're saving here. Saving or... So, asa na tayo? Sorry lang. So, with the Four of Pentacles, you are being patient here, building your own stability. Kasi Four of Pentacles to the 5 of Pentacles, okay. So, I think you have a big loss when it comes to finances. I think it will come back around with the Justice card. Kung ano yung mga nawala sa'yo financially based, financially based, ah, wait. When it comes to finances, Virgo, kung ano man yung mga akala mong baliwala or naglaho ng parang bula yung mga finances mo na inipon mo, I think it will come back around. With the Four of Pentacles, Four of Pentacles is all about savings, okay, and holding on into it. Para bagang, if you have to say no, you will say no. With the Queen of Swords, according na lang on based on your experience, okay? So, alam mo na kung sino yung mga taong abuso, alam mo na yung mga tao mo talaga na tutulungan kang mag-build, okay? At saka 4 plus 1, 5 ulit. Okay. So, 4, you are building your own empire here, your own stability, long-term stability. Itong person na to, on the other hand, ang state ng ano niya, this person is having a lot of passion when it comes to you. Yung emotion niya dito talagang pang mag-asawa, talagang pang forever. With the Ace of Swords, moment to sa kanya eh. Kung matatapos mo kung ano man ang mga dapat mong tapusin, willing naman siyang maghintay dito kasi meron tayong patience card. Pero this person, she or he is on fire. On fire. Hindi na siya pinipigilan na lang yung sarili niya dito. Okay. Meron siyang offer sa'yo dito. With the Messenger of Earth, Knight of Pentacles. Meaning, stability, hindi ganun kalaki pero solid kind of energy. Yung talagang deserve mo mahalin ng unconditional, deserve mo, hindi ko naman sinabi pagsilbihan, pero parang sinabi ko na rin, para pag kung ano yung deserve mo, kung anong ibinigay mo or nilapag mo sa lamesa, kaya niyang ibalik ng sobra. Ganito yung person na to. Okay, talagang this person is adoring you, will cherish you, adore you, respect you. And ikaw, on the other hand, you are building something here financially. Okay, pero itong person na to, iniisip na nagkakaroon siya ng sleepless nights. Iniisip niya na ang daming option. Or maybe ikaw to, ang daming option. Ang dami mong nadidiscover ng mga option para magkaroon ng stability. Page of Air, this is my Page of Swords. Okay, so you are all about in the internet, studying, knowing more. Or maybe this person is spying on you kung anong status mo or when it comes to career. Okay. So, yeah, workaholic, Virgo. And this person, since ang bottom of the deck natin is 8 of Earth, gusto ng person na to na everything will work out just fine or working things out with you here, Virgo. Okay. So, ikaw here being patient or maybe this person when it comes to communication, hindi ka na nag-communicate the same before. Nag-iisip lang siya na you're focused on your finances pero baka the moment na nag-focus ka sa finances mo, marami kang nakakahalubilo or marami kang new things or new people na nakikilala along the way na napapaisip din siya. Okay, so kasi nasabi ko kanina, may nasabi ba akong preno? Basta parang mga lakas ng boses sa utak ko preno. Itong person na to gusto niya talaga overtake eh. Pang mabilisan yung magde-date kayo tapos kasal, propose tapos kasal tapos living in together tapos kids. Para bagang ganong energy, ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Pero nang nakikita or nafe-feel niya or pinapa-feel mo sa kanya na you are on something when it comes to finances and career. workaholic, focus ka sa trabaho, focus ka sa bag, okay? I don't know kung nabanggit mo sa person na 'to na you are working on something kasi ayaw mong umasa or gusto mong magkaroon ng sarili mo here, Virgo. So, this person is being patient, okey. Ah, yun ang nakikita ko. Hindi ko naman siya nakikita na mapagsamantala or something. Can you tell me more about this Queen of Water? Talagang ipapamper ka na ito. Genuine 'to. Okey, tell me more. Six of Water. Aba, para pag ang iniisip niya soulmate ka niya or meron kayong past life connection before. Okay, so this is legit, Virgo. This is, or maybe this is a past person, but I don't think so. Maybe this is a past soul connection. Yun ang masasabi ko. Okay. If it can apply sa past person, apology. Pwede nating makuha ang apology to with the messenger of right. Gusto niya makapag-connect sa'yo. And this person is being patient. Page of Water. Emotion talaga. Lakas ng emotion nito sa'yo. Grabe yung feeling niya dito talaga. Dang. Overflowing. Chemistry, passion. Nararamdaman niya parang di niya na mapigilan, no? Sana naman ay naririnig ako. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito. Virgo, sana ay nag-gets. So, 6 of Fire, you are going to be you're going to be victorious. Okay, kung ano man ang pinagkakabisihan mo sa internet when it comes to having an income, 6, 7, 8, 9 digit, okay, pasok na pasok ka dyan. Okay, so, at saka I think, lahat ng mga nagastos mo na akala mo baliwala, I think it will come back around 10 times more. You need to be patient. Baka nafe-feel mo wala lang, but still, di mo nakikita. Pero I think nafe-feel mo, naamoy mo that this is your time to shine. Okay. So, 6 of Fire, you're going to be victorious. Public eye, people will know you. Star card, very unexpected. People will love what you do, Virgo. Okay. Maybe meron kang talent or meron kang something sa'yo that people need, okay, na dapat mong i-share, or maybe this is your calling. Na kasi ang mga Virgo is act of service. They are always act of service. Yun ang love language ng mga Virgings. Okay. So, tingnan natin kung anong advice. Sana naman ay nag-gets po, no? Kung marami akong sinabi, hindi ko na po matandaan yung iba. But hopefully, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate, better luck next time po sa mga makaka-resonate. Thank you po in advance. So, let's see kung anong advice. Tingnan natin anong advice. Confidence is your key to success. Success. Definitely, Virgo. Your confidence in the second week of January, you are going to be in the internet or just being viral. Ang dami mong option dito. And the other person is feeling left out by you, pero naiintindihan niya. Kaya meron tayong patience card. And I think on the other hand, pwede ka bang makita kung anong feeling mo sa person na to? Anong feeling ni Virgo sa person na to? 3 cards nga. Two of Water. Aba, in love ka din. Gusto mo din. Nafe-feel hangman. Kaya lang pinapadelay mo. And with the Chariot card, meron akong travel na nakikita. I think you're going to travel towards this person. Or maybe this person is going to travel towards you. Dang, Virgo, I think parehas kayo ng point of view when it comes to relationship. Parehas kayo ng gusto. Parehas kayo ng... Tsaka nafe-feel mo din tong person na to. Meron ka lang skepticalism na sinasabi, okay. Pero you're doing it right Kasi nagbibigay ka ng hindi ka obsessed, pero the Two of Cups is there. Dang! Meron lang delay or tinitingnan mo ang sitwasyon in a different perspective, pero at the end of the day, you're going to meet each other. With the Chariot card, meron ditong travel. Lakas ng travel, moving in, moving out. Positive, straight. Okay, so confidence is your key to success. So that is why, Virgo, the Empress card, wow. Wifey and husband material. Parehas kayong meant to be kayo. Meant to be. Itong person na to kung sino man to. This is not a past person. This is a soulmate. Soul level ang pinag-uusapan natin. Maybe lover mo to. This is your lover in your past life. Marami na kayong karma na pinagbayaran. And then, I think, it's time for you and this person to be one. Okay? Pero may mga kailangan pang ayusin gusot when it comes to finances. Okay, both of you. So with the Empress card, this person sees you as like, dang, full package, and you as well, you see this person. Kasi ang Two of Cups is equal give and take, equally. Kung ano yung binigay, yun ang ibibigay. Para there's no end when it comes to emotional. So yun lang ang nakikita ko dito. Okay. So both of you is on the same page. Okay. Show the world the real you. Dang. Magbabiral ka ba dito? I don't know, pero gaining followers, lot of bookings, Virgo, maraming customers. Congratulations. Just continue what you are doing, Virgo. Don't stop. Because you're gonna get there. I think sabi ko sa'yo, abot kamay na nga ni. Communication is the key. Kailangan mo makipag-communicate kasi itong person na to, kailangan niya malaman if you're still there. Kasi I think masyado ng yung pagiging act cold mo is sa feeling niya, ang layo-layo mo na. Hindi ko alam kung gaano nga yung katagal nag-communicate o last na nag-usap. But this person is yearning into your attention. Yearning in your attention. And what else? Communication is the key. Kailangan ng communication dito. And you're very close to achieving your goals. So it makes sense. Sabi ko sa'yo kanina, abot kamay. When it comes to love, check. When it comes to finances, check. When it comes to popularity, I think you're gonna get there. Ang bag mo is nasa internet or something in communication. I think meron kang kailangan gawin, calling mo, that people can benefit from it. And people will love it with the Six of Wands kanina. Public eye and very victorious. Star card is my on the spotlight energy. I think you do the healing. You know your lesson. So the Chariot card, moving forward, meron lang delay, and you need to be patient on the delay. And maybe at the same time, tingnan mo na lang yung sitwasyon in a different perspective. Think positive, yun ang nakikita ko dito. You're good enough. Okay. So tingnan natin kung anong angel message number mo. Both of you are gonna be nurturing para bagang kung gaano ka ka-caring, mas lalamangan ka niya. Empress card is like isusubo na lang, ibibigay pa. And well experienced when it comes to people and relationship, family, friends. Hasang-hasa ng Empress. Hindi magiging Empress ang Empress. Wala po tayong gender sa energy, okay? Ang Empress is very compassionate, very giving, talagang with heart. nag-ooperate siya gamit ang heart. Yung bagang masasabi niya alam kung anong feeling. Kaya, you know what I mean? Isusubo mo na ibibigay mo pa. So, the same thing. Ganun din tong person na to. So, meron kang 9. Google mo siya, angel message number. Meron kang mensahe dyan. Okay, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, let's see. What else? 9, 2, 5. Mabenta sa'yo ang 5. So, pay attention sa mga repeating numbers and synchronicities. Okay. 5555. Search mo na lang kung anong meaning. You are on the verge of transformation here, Virgo, of big time, all area. Love department, career, family, and things of that nature. So, there's a growth. Merong growth. May viral dito. Just keep doing what you are doing. Studying on the internet. Keep it there. Explore things na kahit na feeling uncomfortable ka, but just do it. Take a risk. Yun ang naririnig ko. So, and keep your money. Yan eh. Close to you. Okay. Meaning, kung kinakailangan mag-say no, you need to say no. With the Queen of Swords. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. I hope naka-resonate. Sa mga di ba makaka-resonate, better lang next time po. Okay, baka energy nyo na masagap ko. So, yeah. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, stay connected po tayo. This is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one, Virgo. And bye for now.